Hello everyone, my name is Nicole Wang and I'm a staff member of the Peer Tutoring Program at Northeastern, and I'm here today to show you some of the chemistry features of GoBoard because I myself was a chemistry major in undergrad, and I found these tools to be really useful in GoBoard for online tutoring. And so I'm going to get started. Under basic tools, what I'm going to do is if I right click, I can get access to all these tools. And I have a stylus pen, so I'm actually going to click the pen option. But if you don't, you can just click text or any of the line tools. And so I'm going to start us off by basically showing some resonance structures and then going into the tools that they have for chemistry majors. So I'm going to start off and I'm going to write COH2 basically. So here's our carbon, our oxygen, and then two hydrogens. And then for a resonance structure, I'm going to show the other resonance structure on the other side. So I'm going to do the same exact thing. Now, if I go to basic tools and I right click and I click on line, there's basically a double-sided arrow that can basically show you wanted this double arrow notation when you're doing resonance structures. Now, let's go into more tools, into chemistry and into the bond drawing tool. And this is where we can add all our bonds in. So it's going to be a single bond from carbon to hydrogen, same over here. And for this resonance structure, I'm going to do a single bond from this carbon to this oxygen, which therefore means that there would be 3 lone pairs. Now I'm going to also use the curved arrow feature in GoBoard as well. And so right under here, you can click the curved arrow that you need to basically show the electrons being pushed, quote unquote. So you're going from an area of high electron density to low electron density. So now when I go to show the other resonance structure, it's going to be a double bond because basically that lone pair has turned this into a double bond because now there's 4 electrons there. You're also going to draw the single bond from carbon to hydrogen and another single bond. And now, since you have a double bond on the oxygen, it's going to have 2 lone pairs. So as you see, there's an amazing feature in GoBoard, the fact that you can basically use all these tools, show all the bonds, and show the curved arrows too, especially for those of you in organic chemistry. 2 other tools I want to show you, so I'm going to add a page so I can show you, is under more tools, under chemistry. If you go to this Wolfram Alpha tool and you click on chemistry, and I click on, let's say I want to look up ammonia, right? So basically what it's going to output is it's going to show you the molecular mass, it's going to show you melting point, it's going to show you boiling point, it's going to show you the formula, and you can do this for virtually any molecule out there, which is really amazing and such a great feature. So one last thing I want to show you, and I'm going to add one more page to do so, is if I go into the more tools, and now I go to the reference library, I can add things such as a pKa table, periodic table, anything along those lines. And so here I'm going to insert a periodic table. And the best part is, let's say I wanted to toggle between the two, I can toggle between the different pages, which is really amazing. And the very last thing is if you wanted to upload something from the internet or something that you have on your computer, you can actually do so too. So I hope you found this helpful, and I hope that you use GoBoard in the near future.